A very good day to Madam Siti Aisha and all the audience in front of this video. I am Chang Kaman from Computer Application Section 3, and today I'm going to present to you about enterprise system. So let's discuss and see what is enterprise system. So enterprise systems are large-scale application software packages that support business processes, information flows, reporting, and data analytics in complex organizations. While enterprise systems are generally packaged enterprise application software systems, they can be also bespoke, custom-developed systems created to support a specific organization needs. So, in a simple sentence, enterprise system is actually a combination of computer hardware and software that a business uses to organize and run its operations. So, let's see what are the types of enterprise systems. Enterprise systems that can be divided into three categories, which is customer relationship management software, enterprise resources planning systems, and the last one, supply chain management, or as we call it as enterprise planning systems. So let's discuss more about customer relationship management software. And what is it? Customer relationship management software, it is an approach to manage a company's interaction with current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about customers' history with a company to improve the business relationship between customers, specifically focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. For example, today, Guardian, they want to have an interaction with the current and potential customers. They use their data analysis so that they can check the customer's purchasing history and they can improve a business relationship between them. Besides, another important aspect of the customer relation management software approach is the management of it can be compiled data from a range of different communication channels. So, for example, including a company's website, telephone, email, live chat, materials from marketing, and more recently social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and throughout the whole process approach, the systems can be used to facilitate and businesses learn more about their targeted audience and how to best cater the customer's needs. And to be simple, it is to increase the productivity in sales department by managing the consumers effectively and increasing the sales. And next, let's discuss and investigate more about enterprise resources planning systems. And below I will call it as ERP. So ERP is the integrated management of core businesses process, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. To be simple, it is to integrate software applications for managing purchasing activities, financial activities, human resource activities, and inventory management systems. So I will elaborate more about ERP. So ERP is usually referred to as a category of business management software and typically a suite of integrated applications that an organization can be used to collect, store, manage, or interpret data from all of these business activities. ERP provides an integrated and continuously updated view of core business processes using common database maintained by a database management systems. ERP systems can track business resources such as cash, raw materials, production capacity, and the status of business commitments such as orders, purchase orders, and payrolls. The applications that make up the system share data across various departments such as manufacturing, purchasing, sales, and accounting that the departments provides the data. ERP can facilitate information flow between all business functions and manage connections to outside stakeholders so that the stakeholders can be more understand about what is the organization doing and ongoing. Next, we will talk about enterprise planning systems. So, enterprise systems is an system that covers the methods of planning for the internal and external factors that affects an enterprise. Throughout all the factors, it is generally fall under PESTLE, PESTLE. And PESTLE refers to political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environment factors. Regularly addressing PESTLE factors falls under operation management. Meanwhile, addressing any event, opportunity, or challenge in any one or many factors that the first time will involve project management. As opposed to the enterprise resource planning that we discussed before this, enterprise planning systems have broader coverage. Enterprise planning systems address the resources that are available or not available to an enterprise and its ability to produce products or resources and product services. It is also considers these factors that will positively or negatively affect the firm's ability to run out these all actions. And this system will tend to vary and is more flexible. These are due to the periodic and adaptive nature of strategy information. This will also to have tactical aspects. Typically, enterprise planning systems are part of a firm's knowledge base or collaborate structure, whether it formally identified and structured or simply executes this when the needs appear. Okay, I'm so sorry that I didn't change it to my slide just now. And PESTLE is what I just mentioned just now, and it is referred to political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. So it has 5 stages of ERP implementation. So it is pre-evaluation, screening, evaluation, gap analysis, training, and testing. So let's discuss more about advantages of enterprise systems. So we can see throughout all the systems that we just discussed, we can see the efficiency, competition, collaboration, cost savings, security, and productivity in it. So let me elaborate more about that so we could understand more about the advantages of enterprise system. So the benefits of implementing ERP to towards all the benefits I just filter. So we can see for the efficiency, an ERP solution eliminates repetitive process that greatly reduce the needs to manual enter information. So it can is not consuming their time to key in all the data. So the next one will be competition. It's true that ERP software requires a major investment because it needs a lot of money, but there are still a lot of even bigger costs in not making the investment, while some manufacturers choose to stick to tried and true methods of the past. Others seek for technology solutions. And manufacturers cannot afford to pull off an ERP implementation, while their competition invests ERP and starts reaping these many benefits that we could touch below. So the next one will be collaboration. Because nobody wants to run a sort business to each department functioning separate from each other. Collaboration throughout ERP can make all the departments know each other progress well. The next one will be cost saving. Yes, even though there's needs a lot of money to invest in this ERP, but with one of the source of accurate real-time of information, it reduces administrative and operation costs. The next one will be security. And security we can be known by the data key into ERP, it is more safe and it could reduce the percentage of losing all the data. So for the productivity, and productivity is save time and increase the productivity levels. Sounds is really good to it, right? So it is not about only ERP software. By having it, the process automated, users can have more time to work on other pressing projects and tasks. So after we talk about the advantages, let's talk about disadvantages. So the disadvantages of enterprise systems are customization, decentralized, migration, evaluation, participation, and time consuming. Customization. So customization is one of the disadvantages. It's because the ERP has to refer back to the company and it is have to adjust people by people and not everyone can adapt the software in it. So it is decentralized because like since the data system is implemented on the backend to store all the information required by the ERP system, it enables decentralized backup of all the enterprise data. So migration. Migration is about all the migration data. So it is time consuming from the paperwork to migrate into all the key-in computer data. So the evaluation. So the evaluation is prior the implementation of ERP system is critical, and this step is not done properly and experience technical business resources and is not available while evaluating. So participation. Participation is really important for ERP because everyone's commitment is really important and it is related to time consuming because it doesn't mean that everyone knows how to use ERP, and the people who is experienced in ERP have to use a lot of time to teach the new people to use ERP. Yes, the participation is heavy and at the same time it's time consuming. So my presentation is until here, and throughout all the slides I have done it with Canva presentation throughout the website, and the record video software I use Automatical software recorder. So thank you for everyone for watching my video. So please click a like for my video if you like it. Thank you very much.